Welcome to Easy Money Talk. Talking about money can feel like it's flying over most people's heads. Markets, margins, securities, spreads. Even the words sound like they belong in some backroom meeting you were never invited to. And listen, I get it. It was overwhelming for me too. I remember looking at all this like, yo, who is this even for? So I got with a few friends, real folks, just like you, and we decided enough was enough. If nobody was going to teach us, then we were going to teach ourselves and bring everybody with us. That's how Easy Money Talk came to life. A place where we break this down in plain English. A place where grown folks finally get the clarity they should have had years ago. So settle in. You're in the right place. Let's talk money the easy way.